video. This is gonna make movie night so fun. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this projector. This one is really cool. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So you can see here, I have it mounted on a little table for right now. All of the lights are on in my living room. You can clearly see the screen. Don't worry, I'm gonna turn everything off so we can see it even better. But first, I thought I would show you guys, this does have HD in. This is really cool. I'm going to explain that in a second. So there's two USBs. It's got this here. Check out, it comes with the remote. So this is the standard remote to run it. But then it also has this remote. Now this remote needs to be plugged into this USB dongle to work. This is what makes this one of the coolest projectors I think we've ever reviewed. So this is the remote. But do you know what a pain in the butt it is to go spell this word and it, oh look. This has a keyboard on the back of it. Coolest feature ever. Genius. Whoever came up with this, genius. So you can just type in what you want to watch. That's pretty cool. Type in your passwords and all that stuff. That's always a pain in the butt to do. Anyway, I thought that was really cool. Very unique feature for this. Let's see what we can find on here. So this is the main dashboard. When you load it up, this is everything you're going to see. It's got some FreeTV options on here. This is run with Android, so you can pretty much install any Android app on here to watch any of your shows. It comes with a whole bunch of apps already installed, and then of course you can install new ones. Has a lot of settings in here. Connect it to your internet, your Bluetooth settings, audio. This does have Bluetooth audio, so if you have a soundbar, you can connect it to the soundbar. I'm going to show you the sound on this as well. I thought this was kind of cool. It has a focus button right here on the remote, so you can change the focus. Like if this was out of focus and things like that, you can just use this and it's going to bring up a focus and you can change the focus just to make sure that it is exactly how you want to see it. All right, so I have one of my own videos on the TV. There is sound coming out of here. I have it turned down quite a bit. You can hear the fan, but I have the audio turned down. Now, we're going to show you what it looks like with all the lights off. You can still see this really well. I hope the camera picks this up. You can see it very clear with all the lights in my living room on. And I'm going to shut the lights off. Okay, look at that. Oh, now you can see it. So I am using a real projector screen to show you guys just how cool this looks. This looks amazing. This is a 4K projector. Do you see yourself on TV? Do you see yourself? Are you tipper-tappering as you see yourself on TV? Oh, the other two are doing the same thing. Oh my goodness. So yeah, they're watching themselves on TV. Very smooth, very bright color. Also, I did want to note, I don't think I said this earlier, it does auto adjust. So let's see, if I take it and grab it and like tip it to the side and kind of, here, wait, I'll point it at the ceiling, because that's cool. Did you see it adjust? Now, I'm gonna point it, try to put it back where it was. See it adjusting? So if you touch it, it's gonna auto adjust so that it fits on your screen, or like I could fit it on the ceiling up there and make it look really cool. That's pretty cool. Let me turn up the audio a bit so you guys can actually hear how clear this is.
We're gonna add some mint leaves.
So I turned it up to like 40.
Make these colors work.
And you can hear it. You can definitely hear how clear it is. And like I said, it does have Bluetooth audio as well, so you can hook it up to a Bluetooth speaker or your sound bar, and it'll play through there for the ultimate movie experience.